Long cash value expectation January 2030. The expense of pretty lengthy cash especially is expected to in every practical sense arrive at in any event worth of $315,331.43 in 2030, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The YFI cost could by and large show up at a generally beautiful outrageous in every practical sense, worth of $354,747.86, with a regular trading cost of $344,893.76 all through 2030, which is very huge. Long cash, YFI, value conjecture February 2030. For February the expense of pretty lengthy cash is expected to explicitly show up at a common month-to-month fundamentally the uttermost basically reaches of $351,791.63, while the coin will trade between a restriction of $371,992.55 and no less than $338,652.82 in an unpretentious manner. Long cash, YFI, value estimate walk 2030. For spring the expense of kind of lengthy cash is expected to in every practical sense show up at a run-of-the-mill month-to-month, actually the farthest explicitly reaches of $365,863.30, while the coin will trade between a constraint of $389,582.13 and at particularly the least $352,724.49, or so they sort of thought. Long cash value conjecture April 2030. The fundamentally typical expense of especially lengthy cash, YFI, could especially go to $380,497.83 toward April's end, or so they basically thought. YFI could be trading around a biggest worth of $407,875.30, with a base expected cost of $364,074.32. Long cash value forecast May 2030. The expense of long cash especially is expected to truly arrive at in any event worth of $378,773.95 in 2030. Which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The YFI cost could sort of show up at a biggest really worth of $426,900.19, with a run-of-the-mill trading cost of $391,912.76 all through 2030. YFI value conjecture June 2030. In June 2030, the expense of long cash especially is assessed to in a real sense be at around a base kind of worth of $386,612.21, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The long cash and incentive in every way that really matters, worth can in a real sense show up at a constraint of $446,495.83, with a run-of-the-mill trading sort of worth of $399,751.02 in United States dollars. Long cash, YFI, value gauge July 2030. For July, the expense of commonly lengthy cash is expected to truly show up at a normal month-to-month, kind of the uttermost truly reaches of $415,741.06, while the coin will trade between a restriction of $462,485.87 and something like $402,602.25 in an unpretentious manner. YFI value gauge August 2030. In August 2030, the expense of most certainly lengthy cash especially is assessed to in a real sense be at around a base kind of worth of $411,789.78. The really lengthy cash esteem worth can sort of show up at a constraint of $479,115.51, with a common trading essentially worth of $428,213.29 in United States dollars, as opposed to mainstream thinking. YFI value gauge September 2030. In September 2030, the expense of genuinely lengthy cash most certainly is gauged to be at around a base certainly worth of $423,638.75, which especially is very huge. The essentially lengthy cash esteem commonly worth can show up at a restriction of $500,526.18, with a commonplace trading commonly worth of $436,777.56 in United States dollars. Long cash value gauge October 2030. The ordinary expense of especially lengthy cash, YFI, could go to $454,248.66 toward October's end, which is very critical. YFI could fundamentally be trading around a generally for the most part outrageous sort of worth of $517,997.28, with a base expected cost of $437,825.15, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Long cash value expectation November 2030. The expense of long cash in every way that really matters is expected to in a real sense arrive at in any event worth of $446,910.12 in 2030, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The YFI cost could in every practical sense show up at a generally sort of outrageous especially worth of $536,167.22, with a common trading cost of $463,333.63 all through 2030, which by and large is genuinely huge. Long cash, YFI, value figure December 2030. For December the expense of pretty lengthy cash basically is expected to generally show up at an ordinary month-to-month furthest reaches of $477,233.64, while the coin will trade between a restriction of $559,333.91 and something like $464,094.83. However, after the differentiating the continuous expense and ongoing days cost history, it in a real sense is seen that long cash truly has extended 46.381% in its worth. The commonplace, particularly the most minimal expense for the month in a real sense is $9,816.15, while most prominent by and large typical expense basically was $10,683.19, or so they in a real sense thought. This gathers that this coin for the most part is a sensible asset and one more development to prettier game plan of coins for long stretch, which generally is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change for the most part is close 39.00%, and the expense flowed from a base commonplace expense of $32,427.33 to most prominent typical